The installation of it was maybe the biggest surprise. Initially, we thought we would put the panels on our roof just because that made the most sense, and I think that's the most common way to do it. But when we started thinking about this old home, putting solar panels on the roof didn't seem to be too aesthetically pleasing. So we looked outside and discovered we've got a big piece of property here, and we said, why don't we put it there? Once they started digging the footings for the ground mount, they discovered that they hit bedrock 6 to 8 inches under the soil. They went through about 3 or 4 different kinds of digging machines, but the amazing thing about it was that these guys had the best attitude. I couldn't believe it. It was during a time earlier in the summer where we were averaging 100, 200, 300, 5 every day, and they were here through that entire span. These guys were melting, and they were here 8, 10 hours a day, no complaints, amazing attitude, cheerful, upbeat, sweaty as could be, dirty as could be. They're some of the best workers I've ever seen. My name is Mike Cannon, and I'm an Infinity Energy customer.